how to delete Pinterest account permanently. Let's see in this video. Before getting started, subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon for more updates from us. Now let's begin. So once you are in the home page of Pinterest, you'll be able to see this interface from where you can search and look for the various Pinterest videos and photos. So in order to delete your Pinterest account, you need to go to your account management center. For that, you need to tap on the saved or the profile option at the right bottom corner, and you'll be able to see your profile over here. You need to tap on the three-dotted horizontal line of the right upper corner, and you have to go to your settings. On the settings, simply go to your account management, under which you'll be able to see your account information also. So at the bottom, there is option of delete your data in account. Simply tap over there and you'll be able to see this interface. It is said that closing your account means you won't be able to get your pins or boards back. All your Pinterest account data will be deleted. So if you are agreed with that, then you can go for continue. And you have to choose a reason for deleting your Pinterest account. You can choose any of these. And you have to go for send email option. So for the further process, you have to go back to your Gmail account and look for email. Here you can see Pinterest has sent me an email for deleting my account. So it's the last security checkup. Once you tap on yes delete account option, then your account will be deleted permanently. For now, your account will be deleted and your friends won't be able to see your account. And after 14 days, all the data of your Pinterest account will be deleted. If you change your mind and want to come back after 14 days, then you can log in with your email and password, and they will send you a link to reactivate your account in your Gmail account, and you can again log into your account. So you have to simply tap on yes delete account and your account will be deleted. So this is how you delete Pinterest account permanently. I hope this video was helpful. If you have got any queries regarding this video, then you can mention down below in the comment section. Thanks for watching.